Welcome to our latest tutorial on how to reset your WhatsApp QR code. This feature is incredibly useful for adding new contacts without having to manually save their numbers, but sometimes you might need to reset it for security or other reasons. Let's dive into the simple steps to do this. First, open the WhatsApp app on your smartphone. You'll see a familiar interface with all your chats and contacts. To access the settings, tap the three dots located at the top right corner of your screen. This will open a drop-down menu where you can select Settings. Once you're in the Settings section, you'll notice your profile picture and name at the top. Next to them, there's a small QR code icon. Tap on this icon to view your current WhatsApp QR code. This code is what others can scan to add you as a contact on WhatsApp. Now, if you want to reset this QR code, tap the three dots again at the top right corner of the QR code screen. You'll see a few options, but the one we're interested in is Reset QR Code. Select this option, and you'll be prompted with a confirmation message. This is important because resetting your QR code will make any existing links or codes invalid, so if you're sure you want to proceed, tap Reset to confirm. After confirming, your old QR code will stop working, and a new one will be generated. This is a great way to ensure your privacy and security, especially if you've shared your QR code with someone you no longer trust. You can reset your QR code as many times as you need, and it's a simple process that doesn't affect your WhatsApp account in any other way. Finally, you can share your new QR code with friends and family by tapping the share icon at the top right corner of the screen. This allows you to easily add new contacts or share your QR code via social media or messaging apps. Resetting your WhatsApp QR code